Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's the Detail Geek here. Today we're going to be doing a full detail on this Ford Escape. Unfortunately, the weather outside is not great today. It is cold, it's rainy, it's pretty much freezing outside right now. So I'm going to have to bundle up and stay warm. But yeah, we'll get this thing fully detailed, looking good. And before we get into it, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
Alright guys, before we jump into washing the vehicle, thought I'd just give you a quick look at what it's looking like right now. Really the outside's not too dirty. Really just the fender wells have a ton of caked on mud and dirt in there. The interior, well, I've seen worse. But really it's nothing we can't handle, so yeah, let's get started. right, well, as you can see, we're all done now. Car's looking awesome. It was a little bit of a cold and wet start to the detail there. I was literally power washing it in the rain. Probably looked like an idiot to all my neighbors, but hey man, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So yeah, that's gonna wrap this video up. If you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and that way you won't miss any of my future videos. And if you guys enjoyed watching, please just take a minute and let me know down in the comment section below what you liked, what you didn't like. If you want to see the format of these videos a little bit different, I'm always open to hearing what you guys think. So yeah, anyways, that'll do it for this one. I should have some more videos coming out soon. Detail season has officially started here in Canada. So yeah, let's wrap this up and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Baby,